Hey Mellie Dee Dee. So I am back with another video, and today I am going to be telling you guys how to grow and maintain that luscious natural hair. Okay, y'all. So let's get started. And this is a beginner's video. So if you're new to the natural hair, welcome to this journey. It is, if you hear my baby, I'm sorry, he's upstairs running crazy. It's almost bedtime. But I wanted to hurry up and get this video to you guys while my hair is looking good. Okay, because baby, I'm about to do a protective style and put this up because I'm tired of it. But anyway, first things first. Like I was saying, if you guys are new to this natural hair journey and you're really ready to get serious about it, this is the video for you. Okay, first, TLC. You have to give your hair TLC if you want it to grow. Tender love and care. Okay, if you have your hair dry all the time and just in a bun and don't ever do anything with it, this is the video for you. Okay, we're gonna get you out of that. We're gonna get you out of that, baby, and we're gonna do it step by step. This is going to be the easiest thing for y'all to do, so just follow these steps. Okay, first, washing your hair. When you wash your hair, we're not white, we're black with natural hair. Okay, so you don't want to wash your hair like you got white people here. No, don't do that. Okay, you just want to wash your scalp like that, and then just bring the lather down like that and drag it out. Wash about 2-3 times and you're good. So, number 2, condition. You want to deep condition your hair once weekly. Okay, and when I always condition my hair, I condition my hair after I wash my hair, I condition it, I split my hair down the middle, and I put 3 sections on each side. One in the front, one in the middle, and then another in the middle. And I condition it, I lather up the conditioner very well, and then I detangle it either with my wide tooth comb. So everybody needs to get a wide tooth comb and a detangler brush. Either this one, this is a detangler brush with these bristles. This is very, very good. It gives your hair a lot of slip and it's great. I love it. Or you can get a denim brush, and this is messed up. You see how the bristles are not in this anymore because I have a lot of hair, so it just messed up. So that's why I got this, because this brush doesn't have the capability of messing up like this brush does. So I would recommend this versus the denim brush. All right, so I split into sections and I detangle it with the detangler brush, and then I twist it. I do that over my whole head, so I have 6 twists, and then I either let the conditioner sit overnight. I most likely will let the conditioner sit overnight. If not, I keep it in for hours. If you don't have that much time, you can get this blow dryer cap. You literally just hook it on the end of a blow dryer and he comes out. So that's another option. And when I rinse the conditioner out, I use warm water, not hot water, because if you use hot water, your hair can get frizzy like that. So when I rinse the conditioner out, I keep those twists in. This is very important, y'all. Keep those 6 twists in. All right, so now once the conditioner is washed out, we're on to step number 3. If you are balding on the edges, okay, if you're balding on the edges, if your hair is a little thin, Jamaican black castor oil. Jamaican black castor oil in a spot bottle. As soon as you wash the conditioner out, or as soon as you get out the shower, when your pores are open, put the black Jamaican castor oil in a spout bottle and put it on your edges, okay? Put it on your edges and all over your scalp and massage it in your scalp for about 5 to 10 minutes. If you do that, your hair will get thicker and healthier, and your edges will grow. That really works, because I had some tracks one time and I was a little too tight on my edges, okay? And it pulled out my edges a little bit. So I rubbed that Black Jamaican castor oil, and I don't know how long it took because I forgot I didn't have edges anymore. They grew back fast. So you want to do that, all right? Okay. Then we're on to the next step, styling your hair. LOC method. That is leave-in conditioner, O for oil, and C for cream. You can use any leave-in conditioner. I like the Cantu line, or I really like the Creme of Nature line. But anything that works for you is best. Any oil is fine. I normally use olive oil. I was using coconut oil for a while, but then sometimes the coconut oil will be in chunks when I put it in my hair, and I just really didn't like that. So I just really started using olive oil, and olive oil has been working great. So, and then the best cream that I love, I like Creme of Nature Butterlicious Curls. And also there's another one that I get from Walmart that I really like. I will show you guys a picture. And also Lotta Body. The Lotta Body line, the Love Me line products, I'll show a picture of that also, is good. So that is the LOC method. That really, really works. As soon as you're done washing your hair and your hair is wet, just go right into the oil if you're doing the oil on your scalp, and then you do the LOC method, leave-in oil, cream, and keep those twisting, because you're not going to have to separate your hair again. So once you rinse the conditioner out, you're still going to have those twisting. So then you just take the twist out one by one. You put the leave-in, you put the oil, and you put the cream in, and then you can do a braid out. Just plait that section, and then you move into the next section. Put the leave-in, the oil, and the cream. Plait that section down. Boom, you have 6 braids. Okay? And I told you guys, this is for beginners. So just start with these 6 braids. That's going to be your first braid out. Okay, when you have your braids, you can twirl the ends around your fingers, or you can get perm rods. There's several different perm rods that you can get. You can either get the white one, the smallest ones. I'll go from smallest to biggest. The smallest, skinniest ones, if you have shorter hair, is the blue ones, and this top came off, so don't mind that. But the smallest ones for shorter hair is this skinny blue one, and they also have shorter ones too that stops like right there if you wanted to get that. And then the one next to that is the gray one. Next will be the white one, and then the purple one, and then the orange one for the longest. So this is, I normally use the orange one because I have longer hair. And then the one after the orange is the black perm rod. So you can put that at the end of your braids. Also, just leave a little bit of your braid out for the curl. And I did a video on that also, and I'll leave the link down below if you guys didn't see my perm rod set video. Okay, so moving along, we did that LOC method. And then always make sure your hair is dry, okay? If you're doing your hair on a Sunday, do it earlier on than Sunday, because you're doing it on wet hair and you want it to be dry for Monday morning if you're going to work and have to go out. So you always want to make sure that you have enough time to dry it. And if you do feel like it's not all the way dry, then you can get one of these caps and just put it on, and it'll be dry within 10 minutes. So this cap is really good just to be on standby. All right, you should deep condition it once time weekly. You should get a good hair mask that's good for you. Another thing, you have to train your hair. If you feel like your hair is just poofy and there's no like curl to it, there's no pattern to it. You see how there's a pattern to my hair? Like some spots like this is just, it's not really much of a pattern because I just separated it quick. But there's a pattern and my hair isn't that frizzy because my hair is trained. I'm used to doing these natural styles, so I do these natural styles frequently, so my hair is trained. Like when I part my hair, my hair automatically parts by itself. As soon as I'm done with my washing my hair automatically parts by myself because I constantly part my hair in these 6 sections all the time. So it like just parts by itself, basically. That's why I don't even use combs, because I'm always doing that. So the more you do it, the better it will be, the better styles you'll be able to do. And no heat, y'all. Stop using heat. I know I'm showing y'all this stuff with the heat, but heat is not good. I rarely use heat. I only straighten my hair probably twice a year, if that. I don't blow dry my hair. I do know a way how to stretch your hair without a blow dryer. Oh my gosh, I did it one time and it was just like really good. My hair was like super stretched, almost all the way down to my back stretched. I will post a video on that. Always when you comb your hair, you always want to comb ends to roots. Okay, so I comb out the ends first, and then my roots are really, really thick. When I'm combing out my roots, they're really, really thick. So I'll comb it out, and then when I get to here, that's normally where my real thick part is. So I'll hold my hair like this, and then I'll comb out, like I'll go right to my scalp, and then I'll comb it out as much as I can, and then I'll like go like this and just kind of like drag down the nappy part. If you guys are following me, I'll like just drag down the nappy part bit by bit, and then I'll just continue to try to like comb it out like that. So I hope that helps, if you guys understand what I'm trying to say. This hairstyle right here is just a braid out. It's out and voila, so it's a braid out. What else? This, if you guys do wash and goes, this is the holy grail for wash and goes. It dries your hair so great without disturbing the curl. It's called a diffuser. You need one of these. You put it right on your blow dryer and it's great. And if you don't have a blow dryer brush, the Revlon blow dryer brush that I raved about, I'll leave that link in the description down below too, so you guys can see my review on that awesome blow dryer. But if you don't have that, you can get one of these blow dryer combs if you blow dry your hair. If you desperately need to blow dry your hair, even though you shouldn't be blow drying your hair, get this. It's great. Great. Of course, you need some clips. All right. What else? Protective styles. Do protective styles like that braid out that I just told y'all. Do the braid out. My sister did it. My sister is trying to get her natural hair going. My sister did it, and she FaceTimed me, and it came out so bomb just by 6 braids. And her hair is shorter, and she used these 6 braids. Use this, and then you just separate it. Get a little pick the roots out, and boom. I'm trying to tell you guys, just start with the 6 braids. Start with the perm rods, any size. I love this gray size. This is such a great size. Just braid your hair 75% down. Leave a little bit of the ends out so you can twist it with this perm rod. Don't twist it like a Shirley Temple curl, just like this. You gotta twist it. You twist it like this, hold it, and then you twirl your wrist like this. That's how you twist it. That's how you get a real nice twist. Okay, and the last one use products that work for you. If you use a product and it's just sitting on your, like the top of your hair, and it's not like seeking and seeping into your hair, and your hair's not loving it, that's not for you. You'll know when your hair loves a product. If you wash your hair and you use the product and you take your braid out in the morning and your hair is just nice and moisturized, boom, that is the product for you. You know when you found that product. And I found that product, and I'm gonna show you guys what that was. That Lotta Body, that Butterlicious curls, and the African Pride. Those three things I live by. Those are the only things I practically use. The best deep conditioner, the best one that I've used was the 10-in-1 by Shea Moisture. I love that deep conditioner. That deep conditioner is a little bit pricey, so if you're on the cheaper side, I always go for the Aussie products. The Aussie 3-minute deep conditioner, that needs to be in everybody's bathroom. I'm trying to tell y'all. Aussie 3-minute deep conditioner, the bomb, baby. And yes, your hair will be deep conditioned in 3 minutes. That's all you need. But of course, me, I sleep in it overnight. But so, another thing, when you got, I also got these. I pinned my hair up with bobby pins, but one other thing that you guys should have if you want to pin your hair up are these little clips. I love these. I will also use these to pin my hair up. The last thing I want to tell you guys is the pineapple. When you are going to bed, I will show you guys what the pineapple is. Okay, just put some oil on your hair. And then you literally just push all your hair to the front, the top of your head. Oh, I still got a bobby pin, hold up. All right, you literally put it to the top of your head and just boom. That's the pineapple. That is the pineapple. And just put the scarf on and go to sleep. If you got longer hair like me, just put it back like that or something. If your hair can't reach the top of your hair, you can just do half up, half down. That's what I would say. Alright, but that is it. This is my braido. I'm going to be wearing this for the rest of the week. Y'all see my hair? Yes, it's real. No, you can't touch. I hope y'all like this video. Put the thumbs up, put the thumbs up. If y'all use my tips, I hope they work. And let me know how it is. I hope you guys the best on your hair journey. It is a task and it's hard, but it's worth it. It is worth it. And y'all can do it. Y'all can do it. Y'all stay strong. Y'all here with get there, baby. If this is what you want, keep watching these videos. Please like this video. Put the thumbs up. Put the thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and hit that bell. Ding, 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 ding. So you get the notification every time I upload a motherfucking what? Video. I'm out.